Hey Escambia County teachers, and welcome back to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Join us as we look at adding optional resources to assignments in Focus. Let's get started. From the gradebook screen, we've clicked on the plus sign to create a new assignment, and we landed on the assignment details screen where I've given information pertinent to this assignment, and I'm going to go ahead and link this assignment to a Google Classroom assignment I've previously created. You'll see me doing that here. And this will link it for passback purposes, but I'm also going to show you from the student view how you can view these Google assignment resources from Focus. Secondly, we're going to click up here in the Resource tab. So you do have the ability to create resources in Focus. What you should note though is that these resources don't get passed back between Google Classroom and Focus. So whatever you have in Google Classroom will stay there, and whatever you have in Focus will stay here. So we see here the assignment resource screen. I have the ability to add different types of resources, so I'm going to start here with a folder, and I'm going to go ahead and name my folder. So this is going to be my money resource folder for this assignment. And I like images, so I'm going to go here and select one of the system images that matches. And then where it says shareable to other teachers, I'm going to deselect that option. That option's not going to be beneficial unless a teacher has set up a web page in Focus. So go ahead and deselect that, and then click that Save button down here in the bottom right. And you'll see you have a new resource folder. So you can edit that resource folder by clicking the pin, or if you want to add resources into this folder to keep them organized, click the blue folder, and then you'll see here you are now inside the folder and you can create resources to be housed here. We're going to go ahead and create a resource, and I'm going to go ahead and give this a title. This is going to take me to a YouTube video, and I'm going to select an image, and we have a handy dandy YouTube icon right here. And then I'm going to put the link to that exact YouTube video. And once again, I'm going to deselect shareable to other teachers and then click Save. You will now see inside this money resource folder, we have a YouTube video link as well as the ability to create additional resources. I'm going to go back to our main resource page here where we see our folder and the option to create more resources. So we're going to click that plus sign, and we're going to make another resource, and I'm going to name this one our cheat sheet for money counting. And this is going to be a file upload, so I'm going to select the file option here. And I'm going to select the no file so I can upload a file from my computer, and that screen pops up here nicely for us. So we'll just click the file we wish to upload, then we'll click open, and that file will populate here. We can select an image once again that corresponds with the file that we've uploaded and deselect that shareable to teachers, and then we'll click save to add this resource to our resource menu. The last type of resource we have here is the calendar event. However, this calendar event gets a little bit tricky with your different linked Google Classrooms, so I would just recommend using Google Calendar or the assigned dates and publish and due dates in Focus. So back to our main resource page, we are now done adding our Focus resources, so we're going to go up to the top right corner and click Save. Now let's check out what those resources look like from a student's point of view. So I've clicked into the student's assignments for this class, and I can see here the assignment title, as well as the two resources listed for this assignment, and I'm going to go ahead and click those. And you'll see here the resource tab with the folder and the YouTube video that we've created, and the individual resource for cheat sheet listed here, so you can see that opens whatever PDF or document you've given them there. And then we'll go back and we'll see here on the details screen for the assignment details, there is a link here that says View in Google Classroom because we did link this assignment in Focus to a Google Classroom assignment that we had previously created. So when we click that, it takes the student directly to the Google Classroom assignment that houses all of your additional resources that you've created specifically in Google Classroom. And that's another Byte of Tech. Thanks for watching. Check out the additional videos listed here and open the description below for more resources and a comment card for future video requests. Before you leave, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our new videos every Tuesday.